Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Why your brake fluid's color matters, a simple guide to inspection. Ever taken a look at your brake fluid and noticed it's black or brown? You might wonder if that's a big deal. Spoiler alert, it is. Brake fluid should be clear or slightly yellow, and any darkening means it's time for an inspection. Your car's braking system is crucial for safety, and ignoring this could lead to major issues. In this video, we'll explain what causes brake fluid to change color, why it matters, and what steps you should take if you find yourself in this situation. Stick around to ensure your car stays safe on the road. Understanding brake fluid inspection. Brake fluid is a vital component in your vehicle's braking system, responsible for transmitting the force from your foot on the brake pedal to the actual brakes. It works under high temperatures and pressure, making it crucial for the proper functioning of your brakes. What is brake fluid? Brake fluid is a hydraulic fluid that plays a fundamental role in ensuring your safety on the road. It operates within a closed system to provide the force needed to stop your vehicle when you step on the brakes. Think of it as the lifeblood of your braking system, enabling the transfer of force from the brake pedal to the brake pads or shoes. Importance of regular inspection. Regular inspection of brake fluid color and condition is essential to maintain optimal brake performance. Over time, brake fluid can accumulate moisture and contaminants, leading to a decrease in its effectiveness. By inspecting the color and clarity of the brake fluid, you can identify potential issues such as water contamination or fluid degradation. Ensuring that your brake fluid is in good condition helps prevent brake failure and maintains the overall safety of your vehicle. Regular inspections can alert you to potential problems early on, allowing you to address issues before they escalate and ensuring that your brakes operate smoothly when you need them the most. Signs of brake fluid in poor condition. Brake fluid plays a vital role in your vehicle's braking system, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. It is crucial to recognize the signs indicating that your brake fluid is in poor condition. Here are some key indicators to look out for. Color of brake fluid. The color of brake fluid can give you valuable insights into its condition. Black or brown brake fluid typically suggests contamination or age. Dark-colored brake fluid indicates the presence of dirt, debris, or even rubber particles in the system. This can compromise the effectiveness of your brakes and lead to potential safety hazards. When brake fluid darkens, it is essential to address the issue promptly to maintain optimal brake performance. Texture and smell. In addition to its color, the texture and smell of brake fluid can also indicate its condition. Fresh brake fluid should have a clear and slightly oily texture. If you notice a gritty or sludgy consistency, it could signal water contamination or the breakdown of rubber seals within the braking system. Likewise, a burnt smell emanating from the brake fluid may indicate overheating, which can impair braking efficiency and overall safety. Paying attention to these physical characteristics can help you identify potential issues early on and prevent more significant problems down the road. Regularly inspecting the color, texture, and smell of your brake fluid is a simple yet effective way to ensure the proper functioning of your vehicle's braking system. By addressing any signs of poor brake fluid condition promptly, you can maintain optimal safety and performance on the road. Causes of brake fluid darkening. Brake fluid darkening can be attributed to various factors. Understanding the causes behind the darkening of brake fluid is crucial for maintaining optimal brake performance and ensuring vehicle safety. Oxidation. Oxidation is a primary factor that can lead to the darkening of brake fluid. When brake fluid is exposed to oxygen and high temperatures, it undergoes a chemical reaction that causes it to darken over time. This process can result in the formation of varnish and deposits within the brake system, affecting the efficiency of braking performance. Darkened brake fluid due to oxidation may also lead to increased wear and tear on brake components, ultimately compromising the overall braking system. Moisture contamination. Moisture contamination is another significant cause of brake fluid darkening. Moisture can enter the brake system through various means, such as condensation or leaks, and mix with the brake fluid. This contamination can change the color of the brake fluid from its original clear or amber hue to a darker shade. Moisture-contaminated brake fluid poses a serious concern as it reduces the fluid's boiling point and can lead to brake fade under high-temperature conditions. Additionally, the presence of moisture in brake fluid promotes corrosion within the brake system, potentially causing damage to critical components. Understanding the role of oxidation and moisture contamination in darkening brake fluid underscores the importance of regular brake fluid inspections and maintenance to ensure the safe and efficient operation of your vehicle's braking system. Regularly checking and replacing brake fluid can help prevent issues associated with darkened brake fluid and maintain the integrity of your vehicle's braking performance. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. In the next video, we'll show you step by step how to inspect your brake fluid. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.